Before we start talking about journalism, I want to spend a little time on why writing is so important. Marquette University in Milwaukee's Writing Across the Curriculum program offers some great advice on the importance of writing. First, for better or for worse, writing is the primary basis upon which your work, your learning, and your intellect will be judged in college, in the workplace, and in the community. Now, everyone is good at something, whether it's writing, biology, social work, cake decorating, or car repair. Now, if you aren't a good writer, if you spell words wrong, if you write in run-on sentences, or use improper punctuation, people might assume that if you can't write well, then you can't do other things well. That's obviously not true. But taking this class, you can learn to be a better writer and help to earn more respect. Writing out your ideas permits you to evaluate the adequacy of your arguments. Now, have you ever had to have a really difficult conversation with someone, like asking for a raise at your job or ending a romantic relationship, and you found yourself practicing it beforehand? Now, going into the conversation, you might have taken some notes with you so you could remember the key points in your argument, whether it was how well you handled a difficult customer or how your partner always leaves the dirty dishes in the sink. Now, looking at a list of 5 reasons why you are an excellent employee can help you realize that you are indeed an asset to the company. Or maybe that you need to work on your arguments before meeting with your boss. Another reason Marquette University offers that writing is so important is that writing requires that you anticipate your reader's needs. Your ability to do so demonstrates your intellectual flexibility and maturity. When you write, you think about the questions your readers might have, and you learn to answer them in your writing. Now, there are a number of other reasons, like being an essential job skill, that writing are important. And you're welcome to check out the resources page at the end of this lecture and read all of those reasons for yourself.